Hello and welcome to this video about the Tesla Nevada factory, also known as Gigafactory 1. This factory is one of the most important and innovative facilities in the world of electric vehicles and energy storage. In this video, we'll be discussing the history, purpose, and significance of the Tesla Nevada factory. We'll take a closer look at the production process, the future plans of the factory, and its impact on the environment and the world of sustainable energy. Part 1: History and Location. The Tesla Nevada factory was first proposed in 2014 and construction began in 2014. It's located in Sparks, Nevada, and is the first gigafactory built by Tesla. The idea behind the gigafactory was to vertically integrate the production of batteries and electric vehicles, and to reduce the costs of producing these products. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, saw the potential for a gigafactory to revolutionize the way batteries and electric vehicles were produced and made it a key part of Tesla's strategy. The factory officially opened in 2016 and since then, it has been a crucial part of Tesla's growth and success. Part 2: Purpose and Significance. The main purpose of the Tesla Nevada factory is to produce batteries and electric vehicles on a large scale. Tesla's goal is to make electric vehicles more affordable and accessible to the masses. By producing batteries and vehicles under one roof, Tesla can streamline the production process and reduce costs. The factory is designed to be highly efficient and sustainable, using renewable energy sources to power its operations and minimizing waste through recycling and reuse. Another significant aspect of the Tesla Nevada factory is its impact on the environment. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and the Nevada factory plays a crucial role in this mission. By producing electric vehicles and energy storage products, Tesla is reducing the dependence on fossil fuels and contributing to a cleaner and greener future. The factory is designed to have a small environmental footprint and to be a model for sustainable manufacturing practices. Part 3: Production and Future Plans. The Tesla Nevada factory currently produces batteries and electric vehicles, including the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. The factory also produces energy storage products, such as the Powerwall and PowerPack. The production process at the Nevada factory is highly automated, using cutting-edge technologies and robotics to increase efficiency and reduce costs. Tesla is constantly exploring new technologies and ways to improve the production process, and the Nevada factory is at the forefront of these efforts. In the future, Tesla plans to expand the Nevada factory and increase its production capacity to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles and energy storage products. Tesla also plans to continue its investment in research and development, with a focus on improving battery technology and reducing the cost of producing batteries. With its commitment to innovation and sustainability, Tesla is well positioned to lead the way in the world of electric vehicles and energy storage. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Tesla Nevada factory is a symbol of innovation and progress in the world of electric vehicles and energy storage. It's a crucial part of Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy and to make electric vehicles more affordable and accessible to the masses. With its history, purpose, and significance, the Tesla Nevada factory is a landmark in the world of sustainable energy and transportation. The future of the factory is bright, with plans for expansion and continued investment in innovation and sustainability. We can't wait to see what the future holds for the Tesla Nevada factory and for Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. I would like to share Tesla's tweet from January 25 about their future mission and talk about it. Tesla recently announced on social media that they will be spending $3.6 billion on their factory in Nevada. Additionally, Tesla, which is going to build 2 new production facilities in the state, shared the information that they will be hiring 3,000 people to work in these facilities. In its statement, Tesla stated that the new facilities, which will occupy a total of 4 million square feet, approximately 372,000 square meters, will include a 100 GWh battery factory that the company expects to have a capacity to produce battery cells for 2 million light-duty vehicles per year, and a high-volume factory for producing the Tesla semi-electric truck. Tesla began construction of its first battery factory in Nevada in 2014. Today, it operates the factory in partnership with Panasonic, its main cell supplier and joint tenant and investor in the factory. The existing factory, which is home to Tesla's Model 3 electric motors and battery packs, as well as energy storage products Powerwall and PowerPack, will also be expanded. Tesla's latest investment in Nevada is a reflection of its $3.5 billion investment in its factory in Sparks back in 2014. Since then, the company has invested a total of $6.2 billion in Nevada and built a 58 million square feet, approximately 5.4 million square meters, facility that produces 3.6 million units. Tesla first announced its plans to produce the Semi in 2017 and later postponed the targeted production start to 2022. The company has not shared any information on when it plans to lay the foundations for the new factories. Tesla's approaches are not only aimed at the future of the company but also carry importance for societies. That's why I follow Tesla with admiration in this field. Their vision of the future is affecting other companies as well, forcing or not forcing all companies towards zero carbon due to competition. Therefore, it is necessary to thank them with a separate paragraph. I would like to explain why we should follow Tesla in every field in a few points. Innovation. Tesla is renowned for its innovative approach to electric vehicles and renewable energy, pushing the limits of what's possible in these industries. Sustainability. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, making a significant contribution to reducing carbon emissions and enhancing the environment. Leadership. Tesla is a leader in the shift to electric vehicles and renewable energy, setting an example for other companies and governments to emulate. Financial performance. Tesla has achieved impressive financial results in recent years, becoming one of the most valuable companies in the world. Impact on the automotive industry. Tesla's success has ignited a new wave of competition in the electric vehicle market, driving innovation and growth in this sector. Overall, following Tesla provides us with a glimpse into the future of transportation and energy and the potential for a positive impact on the environment. In this video, we talked about the Tesla Nevada factory, which is the main topic. Besides, we provided general information about Tesla. In our other videos, we will take a closer look at the Tesla company and its subsidiaries. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can leave your ideas and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.